Hi guys, so I'm here with a really small little haul for you, and the reason I wanted to just do this haul, even though I haven't got much, is because a lot of it are things that I got recently that are kind of more exciting launches that I wanted to tell you about, or little finds that I found in various places. It's a mishmash. Let me know if you enjoy it. If you don't, I won't do it again. I won't be offended. Number one, it's really random because it's a shower gel, okay? But I was in Lidl today. I forever and ever cannot differentiate Lidl and Aldi. It's a problem. I was in Lidl, okay, earlier today, and I picked this up, and this is the tropical mango shower cream, which you might think is really boring, but it was 45p even, so like pennies, and it smells so good. I'm fussy with shower gels. I like them to smell really strong, and this smells really strong. Mango's really summery. I haven't used it yet. I will report back, and if I like it, then I will definitely be stocking up. So I need to make a little trip to Aldi soon, don't I, to have a look at what more bad English, what other beauty goodies they might have. But really excited to try this. I might even use it if I have a shower tonight. Then we have a couple of bits that I did pick up from Home Bargains, which, let me tell you, it's a revelation as somebody who lived somewhere where there wasn't a Home Bargains. I bloody love Home Bargains. I can spend a fortune in there and often do. But I didn't pick anything interesting up. I did pick this shampoo up, which is their version of Neutrogena tea gel, which is a really unglamorous purchase. But it's if you have a dodgy scalp, which I do, and this is the XHC, no idea how you pronounce this brand, Expel Therapeutic Shampoo. It's not very pleasant. It doesn't smell very nice when you're washing your hair, but I think it actually does work similar to tea gel, and it's a lot cheaper. Tea gel I think is expensive for a boring product. I like the Body Shop ginger one as well. It's just that I haven't been to the Body Shop in ages. I'm going to go this week actually and buy one of those. I think I need to. And also I picked up a new hairspray because I always use Elvive, and I had run out, and I was in Home Bargains and they did have Elvive, but they only had the weird ones where they're the minimum hold, and I don't like those. So I picked this up, which is the Wella Silverkin Classic, because when I was at my mum's the other week, it wasn't my mum's, I think one of my sisters had it, and it was a really nice hairspray, and I hadn't ever tried it before. So I picked one of these up. It was giant, it was like £2, and I just wanted to see if I like it, and I really like it. It is a really nice hairspray. Really good hold, no crunch. Really nice. You can give your hair a good little zhuzh with it. I'm on day 4 of hair wash, so it's kind of not the best thing, but yeah, really like that. I really recommend that. It stinks, kind of gets in your mouth as well. The Elnet does that as well, and unless you buy the unfragranced Elnet, that doesn't smell very good either. So that was it for Home Bargains. Then I also made a little order online from Wet n Wild, because they have come to Beauty Bay, and I didn't get all the stuff I wanted because a lot of it was out of stock by the time I'd gotten there, which was quite early. But I did pick up the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Beige, because on the Full Coverage podcast they rave about this foundation all the time. I'm going to come a bit closer to you. They rave about this foundation all the time, and I wanted to see what I thought about it. I'm going to do a full review. I'm undecided, but I did buy it. Then I also got the concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. That's the concealer I've actually got on today. I haven't got the foundation on because I was wearing something else, but I really do like the concealer, and again I'll do a video with both of them soon. I was going to do it today, but I'm not wearing it, so it seemed a bit pointless. And then I also got a liquid lipstick from them, and this is in the shade Coral Corruption. It's a really crappy name, isn't it? But I really like this liquid lipstick. I shall swatch it for you. I'm wearing one of the NYX cream puffs. They're not cream puffs, what they're called. You know, the NYX matte thingies. But I wore that the other day and I really liked it. It was really comfortable on the lips. Really nice colour. We'll definitely try more of these. So that's everything beauty wise, and then I did pop into TK Maxx to buy something earlier. Not for me, I actually popped in to buy my sister a cushion that she'd seen, didn't bought, was having buyer's regret. I was by TK Maxx, and so she asked if I would go in and get her, and I did. But A friend of mine actually Instagrammed a picture of these candles and said that they were her favourite, and I'd never heard of this brand before. I'd seen it in TK Maxx, but I'd never paid much attention to it, and she said that they were her favourite candles, and I love candles. So I picked this up, which is from the brand DW Home, which I like. I've seen it, but I never thought that it was like a good brand to try. And this candle is the Fresh Heirloom Tomato. And you're probably thinking, why on earth do you want a candle that smells like a tomato? It's weird. Packaging of the candle is really pretty. I like the lid. But the description of this is, let me see, where does it say? It said something about it, like smelled like mint or something. Oh, it's probably in the lid, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Sweet ripe tomato sprinkled with sea salt and crisp green mint leaf infused with a touch of peppermint. It's lovely. It smells really green. You know, like that kind of, like how fig and mint and that kind of thing have a green smell. It smells like that. I'm going to burn this tonight. It smells gorge, and it was like £7 for this really big one, triple wicked. It smells beautiful. I'm going to have a look and see if they do more of these because I like it a lot. But yeah, so that is everything that I bought. Little mini haul, but I think I bought some random bits. But yeah, let me know if you enjoy these hauls. If you don't, then I won't do them anymore. But yeah, I will see you all soon. If you've got any more recommendations for candles from this range, let me know. They had a pumpkin one in there that was really nice, but I was like, do not start buying autumn things just yet. A little bit longer, October time. But yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye.